Also for you at 11, heavy damage and 2 injuries reported in the northeast Arkansas community of Tyronza after a possible tornado touched down there this morning.
That's right. Local 24 News reporter Brad Broders continues our live team coverage. Brad, what's the situation right now?
Well, Kelsey and John, a National Weather Service team is arriving this hour to check out the damage and confirm whether or not a tornado did touch down in this Poinsett County community. I'm going to take you out of the picture right now. You can see this Valero gas station, just a total loss as the roof, awning, and part of the building gave way to this morning's storm. Weather reports that the possible tornado touched down around 6 this morning. Just take a look at that significant damage here. Also going on right now in the community, really all hands on deck. Just spoke with the sheriff, updated just a couple of minutes ago. He says now there are 4 injuries going on right now. 2 people had to be transported earlier this morning, but as you can see around this area, all hands on deck in this community as people continue to work to get power restored. Again, all power is out in this community of about 700 people right now. The sheriff told me, again, 2 people were transported. They all are expected to be okay, but 4 injuries were reported this morning. Again, we are seeing down trees throughout this community. Some side roads are closed off of Highway 118 here in Tyronza. So again, we're seeing relief crews. We are seeing the sheriff's office. We are seeing a whole host of individuals in this community assisting as, again, this gas station, a total loss, and the National Weather Service is arriving this hour to determine if a tornado did in fact touch down earlier this morning. I'm going to continue to tour this community and bring you live updates at 5 and 6 as well as on Twitter and our station's Facebook page. Reporting live in Tyronza, Arkansas, Brad Broders, Local 24 News, midday.
And just incredible images there. At least 1 person was killed when the band of storms hit northwest Arkansas early this morning. Emergency officials in Benton County say a man died after a tree fell on his home. Now you can see broken windows and doors at an Embassy Suites hotel in Rogers. There are multiple reports of downed power lines and gas leaks all across the region, and more than a dozen roads were closed off in that area.
Also